Folks, grab your popcorn because Netflix has been all over the news today, and we've got an action-packed story for you. The streaming giant, synonymous with binge-watching, is now trying its punchy hands on live sports events. Buckle up, because we're diving into the gloved-up action of Netflix's live boxing event featuring Jake Paul and Mike Tyson. Here's what went down. This wasn't just any casual match. It saw an unbelievable 109 million viewers worldwide seeking to catch a glimpse of this boxing barn burner. To put this into perspective, Netflix basically summoned a Super Bowl-sized crowd, turning our screens into a digital coliseum. Amidst all the uppercuts and hooks, Netflix's stream experienced serious buffering issues as the modern-day gladiators fought it out in the ring. The demand was so massive that it pushed every internet service provider's limits across the globe. Picture the internet struggling dramatically, like it was running out of breath on a treadmill from 1999. This match brought chaos and excitement, similar to Thanksgiving dinners, according to Netflix's co-CEO Ted Sarandos. In his words, it was really phenomenal. Unprecedented even. The boxing endeavor revealed Netflix's hidden talent for organizing grand live events akin to a digital sporting maestro. Sarandos was practically buzzing when he revealed the company's Silicon Valley control room was on high alert, trying to work its magic wand on the web to fix all those streaming stumbles. Despite the hiccups, and just like Rocky, Netflix is already eyeing the next round. On Christmas Day, the company looks set to launch another live sporting spectacle, this time with 2 National Football League games. Taking center stage will be the powerhouse performance by none other than Beyoncé during the halftime show. Sarandos promises these productions will be packed with all the unique razzmatazz and spirit of the holiday season, which he believes could make them even bigger than the games themselves. Netflix is now shaping up to corner the live event market, betting heavily on its ability to draw audiences and advertisers alike. It's not just about gaining subscribers anymore, it's about diversifying and tapping into lucrative ad revenue streams. Sarandos did admit, though, that the company hadn't quite harnessed the full potential of commercial bucks with the Paul-Tyson match. But wait, there's more. Next in the lineup, are Netflix's impending broadcasts of WWE events in January, a nod to the appeal of a younger audience and enjoyable storytelling of the wrestling world. All in all, it's a calculated gamble to woo more eyeballs and your wallet toward Netflix's versatile content curation. Stay tuned, because Netflix is coming for your heart, not only with superb narratives, but now also with pulse-racing, live sports extravaganzas. Who knew your next Netflix and chill could include cheering and sporting popcorn? This is Netflix's game now, folks. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.